This story introduces basic shopping vocabulary, simple dialogue, and everyday scenarios, making it perfect for A1-A2 English learners. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more through fun and engaging tales, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to StoryPath English. Join us on the path to fluency, one story at a time. Story title: A Day at the Market. Characters: Tom, a 10-year-old boy who loves shopping for snacks. And Emma, a 12-year-old girl who enjoys shopping for clothes. Narrator: Tom and Emma are brother and sister. Today, they want to go shopping. They are excited because it's Saturday, and they have some money to spend. Scene 1. At home.
Emma, let's go to the market. I want to buy some snacks.
That's a good idea, Tom. I need to buy a new dress for the party next week.
Mom gave us $10 each. We can buy what we like.
Yes, but first, let's make a list. What do you want to buy?
I want to buy chips, candy, and maybe some juice. What about you?
I want to look at dresses and maybe some shoes. I hope we find something nice.
Scene 2. At the market. Narrator: They both make their lists and get ready to go. Tom grabs his backpack, and Emma takes her purse.
Wow, Emma, look at all the shops. Where should we go first?
Let's go to the clothing store first. I want to see the dresses.
Okay, but after that, can we go to the snack shop?
Sure, Tom. Let's go.
Narrator: They walk into the clothing store. Emma looks at the dresses on the racks. There are so many colors and styles.
Tom, which dress do you think is the best? The red one or the blue one?
I like the blue one. It matches your eyes.
Thank you, Tom. I think I'll try it on.
Narrator: Emma tries on the blue dress. She looks in the mirror and smiles.
I love it. It's perfect. I'll buy this one.
Great choice, Emma. Now can we go to the snack shop?
Of course. Let's go.
Scene 3. At the snack shop.
Wow, look at all the snacks. I want to buy everything.
Remember, Tom, you only have $10. What will you choose?
I'll get a big bag of chips, some candy, and a bottle of orange juice. That's all I need.
Good choices. Let's go pay for them.
Narrator: Tom and Emma pay for their items at the counter. The cashier smiles and says, "Thank you. Have a great day." Scene 4. Going home.
This was fun, Emma. I can't wait to eat my snacks.
Yes, it was a great day. I love my new dress. We should go shopping together more often.
Agreed. Let's do this again next weekend.
Tom and Emma walk home, happy with their purchases. It's been a wonderful day at the market. The end.